countryside of southern Sicily, surrounded by fields and silence, rises a place that feels suspended between reality and imagination, the Castello di Donnafugata. From above, the castle reveals its elegant and theatrical form. Towers, terraces, and ornate facades that blend Gothic, Baroque, and neoclassical styles into a single vision. Despite its name, Donnafugata is not a medieval fortress, but a noble residence, built to impress and to dream. Its architecture tells the story of Sicilian aristocracy, where power was expressed through beauty, art, and grandeur. Around the castle stretches a vast park, a green labyrinth of paths, trees, and hidden corners. At its heart lies a real stone maze, a place of mystery and play, where visitors can lose themselves among high walls and winding routes. Every detail of Donnafugata speaks of elegance, the symmetry of its design, the richness of its decorations, and the quiet atmosphere that surrounds it. Donnafugata, not just a castle, but a dream carved into the Sicilian landscape.